Hey guys, it's Dapsy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to have you join me in this tutorial. I want to show you how you can literally clone any website to Elementor or even to Bricks or Gutenberg with UiChemy. This tutorial will be an update on the last one that I have done using UiChemy because UiChemy just launched some new features. So as a matter of fact, they just launched UiChemy 2.0. So I thought I should walk you through the new changes on the platform. Quite fantastic updates, I must confess. Another good news from UiChemy is that, as you can see on the screen here, a lifetime deal for UiChemy is still on for the first 200 users that will get access to this 2.0. So you should check the video description for you to see a link to UiChemy to qualify to get this deal. And one of the good things about UiChemy is that you get to use their template for free. That's not a new tool, but they've made some update and upgrade to these as well, which I will touch eventually. I can just easily launch UiChemy. So we can come to template too as well here. So you can see here they have quite a number of element templates you can just easily drag into your design and use to design your website. So you can also just click here for you to go and see their template library, which is quite very fantastic. So if you click here, it will. I think this is quite very fantastic. So if you scroll down and down, you see some of the things here are pro, and like this one right now is free. You can literally just open this up. You can see this is exactly what it looks like. Fantastic stuff here. So you can just view the demo. So you can see here at W design kit here. Since this is free, you see that I can easily just download this template and start using that. That's quite very fantastic. So you can come down here, 32 unique Figma files, 3 home pages. You can see everything that is down here. You can see all the Figma structures. Fantastic. Different 404 pages, different contact us pages, different coming soon pages. Very detailed template that you can easily lay your hands on. So this can be used with Figma. It's compatible with UiChemy. So fantastic stuff here. You just need to create a free account on W Design Kit here for you to be able to download this. You can also subscribe to Pro here for you to take advantage of thousands of their templates here for free, and I think that's fantastic. So I don't want to cover this in this tutorial. I just want to show you some of the things you can do with this, and I think this is very good. But for tutorial purpose, I just want to play around with some templates here just for tutorial, right? Okay, so I think I should just maybe let's select this frame. So you see I should have that here. So you can see that frame is here. So I can just let's zoom this to fit. So see here I can drag this away so that we can see the design. This is beautiful, right? But for the purpose of this tutorial, like I would always do, I want us to clone a random website. Maybe WordPress.org as usual, like I would always use WordPress.org here. This is strictly for educational purposes alone. I'm not encouraging you to clone WordPress.org. So this is a disclaimer. I'm only showing you this for tutorial purpose alone. So let's come back to Figma here. I love to use a plugin called HTML to design for me to just clone random pages online, and it's a fantastic plugin. I've talked a lot about this plugin too. I have a lot of tutorials on this plugin. So right here you can see that I have the URL to wordpress.org here. So there's a lot of things we can do here with the settings. I really don't want to waste time all around that. So you can choose your viewpoint. You can clone different viewpoints from the desktop, laptop, phablet, tablet, in that sense. But I'll leave this as is. This also is a freemium plugin. That's a pro version. You are able to change custom viewpoint here as a pro feature, which is not available for you in the free. The free works like magic too as well, but you just have a limitation to use it, maybe 10-15 times in a month. Just to demonstrate how to clone a page, I will just hit the import button here. They're just launching a sister plugin here called Figma to website. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I'm going to be doing tutorials also around this subsequently. So you should watch out for that real soon. So that's it. We have a prompt here for us to high resolution images. Is a pro feature. I've turned that on. Auto layout, which is very good for responsiveness, and also had hyperlinks. These are links on the pages we're trying to clone. So let's turn that on. In your case, you may want to turn that off. So I'll just hit the continue button. That's it. This is literally done right now. Okay, so what we'll do is just close this plugin. So if I scroll down here, so we have wordpress.org here, and I think this is good. I just want to just shift this frame downwards somewhere here. Okay, this is all right. So this is good. So I just want to rename this frame. Let's call this WordPress. So that's it. So we now have this here and this here. So that's it. So now let's go back to UiChemy and let's see how we can use UiChemy to convert these to WordPress Elementor. So right now let's launch UiChemy again. All right, so now let's come down here. Looking at UiChemy right now, you would see that we have new features here. The first thing here is this select pages option, and this is quite fantastic because right now we can now export more than one pages, and I think this is good. So I can select this, and I can also select this. I can select as much as possible. If I have 2, 3, I can convert these all at once, and I think this is beautiful. So let's confirm this since we want to work with both. So just coming down here, we have two options here. Either we optimize and convert this, or we just expressly convert this. So if you're sure that your Figma designs are optimized, and then you can continue with express optimize, or if you have optimized it before once, that's fine. But because we have not, so let's optimize. We select this, we will optimize and convert this. So you can see I now have 2 pages to optimize. First is my WordPress page right now. So let's just come to optimization companion. So you can see here lock multi-layer media. So we need to lock all of them. So you can see a lot of things here to fix. I can fix them one after the other. I'll just come up here and fix all. So if I click this, this should be able to help me fix everything. So as you can see, this is done. The next thing we want to do here is to optimize the quantity of images and SVGs. You can come down here to show heat map for you to be able to see all the images that need this optimization. So you can see I need to optimize all of those images, but I will not be doing that right now. I will just mark these as done. All right, so that's good. So the next thing here is frame optimization, which is done, and the next thing is here is removing unnecessary groups and frame. So as usual, again, I can fix all of them one after the other. This is quite a lot, but the beauty about it is that UiChemy is able to give us a fix all solution here, which I find amazing. So as you can see, all of those things have been fixed. And all of these things are just, you can see the wizard is continuing, the process is continuing. So we need to still manage auto layout of standard frames. So we can fix this ourselves or still fix this automatically. So same thing for here to manage auto layout for complex frames. So we can fix this manually if we want to, or just fix all of them. Fantastic. So all of this is done. Every optimization has been done for our mainframe. Our text has been optimized. Everything has been optimized, and this is good for us to have a very, very good clone. And I think this is making UiChemy more detailed, and I love all of these updates. So we can then save and go back. So this is done. So there are a lot of things we can still do more here. So we still have options here for widget tags, responsive manager, conversion settings. So if we come to our widget tags, we can help UiChemy know how to tag every of our designs appropriately. Because I have cloned these, some of the things here might not have an appropriate tag. For example, now I have a container here. I can just say show tagging. So the whole of the container really, there's nothing to tag these as. So I'm just going to leave this as is. I think that's the essence of that. Responsive manager, you can work also your responsiveness. You can choose responsiveness for your tab, your mobile, at different font size. And I think that's quite very, very good. So you can see once it's 100 plus. So this is how it will display on tablet or mobile. You can select different font size and then choose how they show, and I think that's good. And you can also work with some calculator here. I've not really done so much with all of these features, so I'm going to keep experimenting with them. If I find something quite very, very new, I'm going to do more tutorials to show you exactly how all of these things work. So that's it for this. And conversion settings, you can come down here too as well. Export without image in case you don't want to have images, but I do want to have my images. And then also I want it to automatically find SVGs, which is good. And I think I like the settings as is. So that's it for this. So I'm going to come to page 2 as well. We can do the same thing. Nothing really much to do here. Let's save and go. So we can do all of the other optimization here, which is fantastic. But now I just want us to just convert this. And this is bringing us another update as well from them. And I think this is quite very good. So ideally before, what we have here are just our JSON files to download and then go to Elementor and update. But now they have another option for live import. So if we come down here, we can literally import these directly to our website using their UiChemy plugin. How super amazing is this? So let's go to a live website that we want to import this design to, and let's experiment with this and let's see how this works. So right now, if I come to DAppStools here, so right here I have the default WordPress 2024 theme here. So let's come to the back end of this WordPress website. The first thing we're going to do here is to add the UiChemy plugin. So I'll come to plugins and come to add new, and then I'll search for UiChemy. I'm going to install this plugin and also activate the plugin. That's it. We have this plugin here installed. We're supposed to install Elementor, but I think this plugin will prompt us to do that eventually. So right now we can just come down to UiChemy here and just launch UiChemy. So then we have this onboarding process for you to choose exactly what you want to use. In my case here, I want to use Elementor. You can also use Bricks. Gutenberg is still coming, so let's stick with Elementor and let's hit the next button. And it will tell you everything you need to do. Register a plan on UiChemy and then get your license key and all of those things. I can skip all of this. I really don't want to waste time with all of this and just finish this up. In your case, you can go through all of that. That's fine. So welcome to UiChemy here, and that's good. For Elementor Page Builder here, you can install and activate that like I told you earlier. So we need to also install and activate Flexbox container. That's good. So let's install and activate enable unfiltered files and upload. So we have all of these recommended settings turned on, and I think that's fantastic. So the next thing we want to do is to generate a security token for our website. So let's click this. So right now, see my site URL here and a security token, and that's quite very fantastic. So let's come down here to Figma design. So here, I'll have to select a site. Since I don't have one, I will have to add a site. So now I need to put my URL and my token here. So let's come back and let's copy that. So I can just click this and then come back here, paste that here. Come back as well, copy this too, and then come back here, paste that here, and hit the connect button, and it's verified and connected. Super simple and easy, right? So that is done. This site has been connected, and the next thing we want to do here is to come to our WordPress page here. So launching this, we have a select method which is new and existing, but we want to just select new now and then export to is that a page or as Elementor template. So you can see this can literally export to a page, and I think that's fantastic. As a matter of fact, if you have Elementor Pro turned on, you can from here add several Elementor templates like the header, the footer, and all of those things. Let me export this as a page. So you also have this here that says apply to below field, and this has applied to page 2 as well. Page 2 will be exported as a page. This feature is quite very good if you have several pages. If you have 10-15 pages, you don't want to go through these one after the other. I'm gonna do more tutorials specifically for Elementor where you can from here export your header template, footer template, and just build your Elementor theme directly from here. And I think this is fantastic. And you can see we can import all of these instantly with a click of a button. This is amazing. Good. So we can see that both of these pages here has been published live on our WordPress. So you can click this for you to just go to the page directly and see them. Maybe I should just do that from here. So you can see the page here has been launched. So the reason why we have some alignment issues here is because we have the default 2024 theme, WordPress theme installed. So that's really not making our design pop. But that's fine. But let's edit this Elementor and let's see. Good. So we have Elementor loaded here. So you can see our design is here. What we can just do is to come down here to settings, and then we can just come to page layout. We can just make this Elementor canvas possibly. We just want to see what we have inside of Elementor alone. So you can see we now have our page here displaying appropriately. So you can see this is beautiful, right? So we can just make changes here. So you can see if you click this, you can open this up. You can open our frame up. So different frames here. We can make changes. This is an heading here, so we can make changes to this. This is an image here. We can change this. You can literally edit everything here, and I think this is amazing. So we can publish this page right now, and we can view our page, right? Amazing stuff here. Beautiful. So you can see we can come down here and let's come to our dashboard. Let's come to our pages. Let's see all the pages we have. So you can see WordPress here also have been exported here. So you can see it's still draft. Though it's Elementor. So, but let's edit this with Elementor too. Let's see what we have. So we have the same issue here as well. So we can just do the same for this. Make this Elementor canvas. So that's it here. We have our element. We have this page also ready here, and I think this is good. So we can just view this. Amazing, right? Beautiful, beautiful stuff here. So this is good stuff here. So this is exactly how you can easily just clone a page like WordPress.org or any page online. You can clone them to Figma using this plugin called HTML to design, and then using UiChemy to just literally export these to WordPress. And I think this is beautiful. So go experiment with UiChemy, guys. This is the best time to invest in UiChemy. I would always recommend that you check out their lifetime plan. I'm using their lifetime plan, and I'm super excited about this. You can check the video description to see a link to UiChemy. That's it. Go experiment with this, and then let me know your results in the comment section. I'll look out for them. So that's my time for this tutorial. I'll see you in another one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also let me know if you have tried this tool out in the comment section. I'll look out for them. I'll see you in another tutorial. Until then, stay safe.